Does everyone know the internal structure and working principle of the foot switch? I'm Wudong Sheng from KACON Relay. Today, I'll explain the KACON HD3NX Foot Switch. It has base plate, pedal, top cover, and internal microswitch. The switch has already been turned on here. There is a layer of waterproof rubber pad here to protect the sealing core between the top cover and the bottom plate. This microswitch is triggered by our pedal to touch the microswitch and make the microswitch move. The pedal of the contact-strong open variable length RPG is made of aluminum alloy casting, which is solid and reliable. The amplitude can reach more than 3 mm. The microswitch uses 24K gold contact. The outlet adopts PG cable lock to ensure that our outlet will not bend or break. The bottom is equipped with rubber pad to prevent slipping. There are also installation holes, which can be fixed or used flexibly. This key with IP65 protection can be customized with waterproof microswitch to achieve IP67. The normal color is yellow. We can also customize it to other colors according to customers' requirements, including sun protection, etc. This is the principle and structure of KACON's foot switch. Do you guys understand it? If you need customized foot switches, please contact us and leave a message in the comment section. We will reply promptly. Thank you. Goodbye.